Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that KnoxNet token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, KnoxNet is the first ever offline first blockchain designed to be a truly private like cash. There is nothing better than cash when it comes to privacy, but it is bound by geography and government regulations. Bitcoin was supposed to be the messiah, but with how fast technology is advancing, privacy today is almost a myth. A single transaction from your wallet can be traced back, patterns, identity, even location over time. They realize the problem is not just transparency, it is that everything depends on the internet. So they decided to rebuild its form of ground up. Knox next project institution rating is 3.4. KnoxNet token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion KNX token. KNX token is listed on Uniswap, V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.